So it's another day and another project. Just helping out a buddy from Instagram, ran over to the junkyard, got a part that he needed for his restoration project. Now I'm at my buddy Dustin's and we're gonna go rip around on the Ranger in the snow because I need to borrow his trailer this weekend to haul some junk. And so we had to unload it, so we might as well go have some fun with it. What the heck? I feel like this side should have a grab handle. Sometimes you just need to let off a little steam. That was fun. That was really fun. It's got a little snow packed in it for some reason. I don't know why. Weird. So I decided to try and figure out why this thing doesn't want to start so that I can get it in and out of the garage to utilize the space. And this is the first time I've opened the hood since I got it home from Rocks and Valleys, and I think I know why it doesn't want to start. This is just, it's crazy. It's gross, but it's wild. Absolutely amazing how much freaking crap is under this hood. Wow. Guess I should probably clean that up. All right, so we got the starter out, and I wonder if maybe that exposed hole or all that mud packed in it. I wonder if that's why it doesn't want to start. Huh. Guess we're going to take this thing apart and see if we can get it to work again. So I took, there's 3, on mine there was 7mm headed bolts off the end of the plunger assembly here, which this is what makes your starter contact, is this plate here. Contacts these little plates here that are held in with these screws. They're like little L-shaped plates. You can see they're just totally corroded and muddy from our adventures, because that happens. So going to attempt to clean this stuff up, lubricate it, clean up the the piston portion, I guess I'll call it, and all the contact points. And we'll bench test it by grounding the case and throwing some power to the starter motor, which the output side's over here. We'll test that, and then we'll bolt it back in the truck and test it. So see how it goes. All right, so we're gonna test the electrical motor side of the starter. So the output side going to the electric motor, ground hooked to a battery. It spins, but it don't sound great. Yeah, so took the 8mm headed bolts out that are holding the electric motor into place. And we're gonna get this off and then see what we got going on in here. If we can get it off, I don't know, maybe it won't come off, but it sure seems like it should come off. Oh, there we go. Electric motor. Bearing that feels really, really bad. Maybe we're not rebuilding this one. So I guess I'm gonna have to just go get another one, because I mean, if I could buy all the pieces, and I'm sure I could, you know, I could source it all and rebuild the starter myself, but that'd be pretty time consuming. We can just go pick one up from a parts store. So we're gonna wait and try and do that. See if we can get this old girl to start again and run, and maybe we'll get it the heck out of here, or be able to get it in and out of here. That'd be neat.